All right, welcome back to my math class. Right on the board, we have this equation, this math expression, and we're asked to find n. So we're having 2 raised to the power n plus 2 raised to the power n equal to 64. What it means is that we are finding a number that when we put at this particular place, this variable n, which is the power or the yes, and this n being the power, we are finding a number that when we put it here where this n is, when we put it where at this or places at the, where these ends, the two ends are, when we have 2 raised to the power that we are looking for, 2 raised to the power that we are looking for, when we add them, we have to get 64 equal to 64. So the question says we should find n. So let's look at our solution. So our solution, we drop the same original what equation or expression. We have 2 raised to the power n plus 2 raised to the power n equal to 64. So what do we do now? We count, we do what? We see, we collect what we call like terms. We see we have 2 raised to the power n plus 2 raised to the power n. So how many times does it appear or appears? We have 1, 2. We are going to have 2 times 2n. It means it appears 2 times, equal to 64. Now, when you have it this way, the only thing you do is that, so we rewrite the same thing, 2 times 2 raised to the power n equal to 64. So that is what we have here. So when you reach here, the only thing you do is that, let's restate the same thing, 2 times 2 raised to the power n equal to 64. Now, we have to get rid of this coefficient 2. So we divide this side and this side with 2, so that these 2 cancel these 2. So we are having 2n equal to, now these 2 can cancel these 64 how many times? So it will go here 3 and it will go here 2. So we are having what? 32. Now, what we do here is that when you get here, you see that we have 2 raised to the power n equal to 32. So what do? We find a number. We need to get something like this, base 2 here and base 2 here. And then we find a power and we find a what? A power. And that power is what at the end we are going to have as the answer. But here we have power n. So since we don't find it, we are looking for that power n. So we said this, there should be a base 2 here, there should be a base 2 here, so that the equal sign will differentiate the two. Then you can be able to have your subject as the exponent equal to the answer as the exponent for the second one. So you are going to have, now you have, let's use 2, let's multiply 2 times 2 up to a number that will give us 32. So 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. 8 times 2 will give us 16. 16 times 2 will give us 32. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So meaning it's going to be 2 raised to the power 5. That is what it means. So here now we have 2 raised to the power n, which what we do right now, 32, 2 raised to the power 5 is what gives us what? 32. So now since our base is the same, now we set this our exponents as the answer. So we are having n equal to 5. This is our final answer. This is our final answer. So when we bring this 5 as where this, we bring this final answer 5 at where this n, the two ends are, we are going to have 2 raised to the power 5 plus 2 raised to the power 5. When you use your calculator, being 32 plus 32, you have 64. Now, Just pause the video and write it in your notes so that you keep on studying. Right. I hope you enjoy the class. Keep on liking my videos, keep on commenting, and keep on following me. Support my mathematics class so that we can be equipped to continue teaching you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.